What you talking about? Get her. Hi. So we got a fan in here, right? The other girl just left. It was his friend. I'll see if I can make a friend. Y'all asking using keyboard. Yes, I am not using keyboard. I don't even use a shot meter for. I might as well, I got my TV off. I'm not even playing with the TV right now. My TV is outside. But let me stop playing. Let me stop playing with this game. See, I don't care about my rig for real. If you want to know about RB World 3, I don't care about my rig. I just care about having fun and playing. Nah, it's okay to have an ass rig. It's okay. But once you hit that chord, you gonna start getting mad and stuff. Talking about, they're gonna talk about use trash, your teammates, so, like, who cares? What if I sell? If I sell, that's my grade, that's my grade. My bad, that's 0. That just made me mad. How they gonna talk about? If you mad, you mad. Shit, my wreck is my wreck. But then they get mad because you dragging them along with you. Dang, it's a mistake. You dragging them along with you. I'm like, true. I'm never this lame when I'm not recording for. Well, he left. Oh, he's gone. I ain't tripping. I just lied out almost. But y'all know what's that? That's that almost green. Let me show y'all my build. As y'all see in the background. I'm sorry. Just playing. But let me show y'all my build. I ain't gonna cap about it. Like, look at that. It's pure trash. Like, what? What is that? I'm almost a profile. The speed. All that good stuff. Now watch my boost. Here's my boost. Ain't got no badges yet. Yeah, all off. And how I play with no shot meter. Let me tell you why I play with no shot meter. Because I tell you why I play with no shot meter. My friend is on my account. I gotta change that back. I play with no shot meter because I think it's like, for y'all want my honest opinion, it's an ass using the shot meter. It's just pure trash. Pure trash. No, I just talk low. I'm not supposed to be in bed if y'all asking. Look, pure trash. Like, I don't need a shot meter. Like, I know my jump shot. I know it. Look at that. Green. I missed. I make my layups. I just don't know what you do. I see no shot meter on layups before. I ain't never seen no shot. What the fuck? I missed a 0. I'm a 0. My bad. I don't even see a nigga with no shot meter. Get used to it. Cause I ain't using the shot. Oh, that's 0 too. Cause I ain't using the shot meter. What's up? Yep. pretty much this time I'm doing this video. It's a little laggy. Who's gonna play a laggy game in the court? Like, look at them green. So I might need to turn my shot meter back on, cause I'm not normal. Normally when I do what I do, so I had this on, but not like the what's your name? But the feedback give me feedback on when I make it or not. $65. That's good. See, I always make it when I got the shot meter on. That stuff be making me mad. If I hit this, I swear to God, I'm going to Columbia. Oh yeah, I'm going to Columbia. Anyways, I'm in Columbia. What am I talking about? Let me see if I can make a green behind here still. Green, like 100. And that's the first try. Let me show y'all another. Oh, that's 89. Green. Hold on, right? I mean 80.9. Let me show y'all these layers. B0. Big 0. Hold on. But what's this right here? Pure 81. What's these? For the last video, for the last point, for the last game? 62. Yeah, y'all can't tell if y'all gonna make it or miss it, cause if you hit like an 80 or 90, you can tell you gonna already make it. You hit like a 70, 60, or 50, you can tell you probably gonna make it. If you hit below 50, you know you gonna miss. Let me show y'all a little something. So when you go forward and you press this, you do a glitch. And I made it. But when you go back, you do a glitch. So why you showing me these glitches? Cause look, when you hold down G, press C and H, you don't get nothing. Then you press B, and then you press it at the same time. What they give you? What they give you? You hold down G, press ED at the same time, and press H. Same time you let go. So it's basically like this. It's basically like that. Oh, it's not letting me do it now. It's acting stupid. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video off here. Hope y'all like it. And y'all see that my name on the ground, all over there. It's on different colors though, cause it's my team color on the League of Legends. Not League of Legends, the NBA. I'm not doing merch because I'm not like a full premium adult. I'm just like 14, 15. Well, fit to be 16 for when I'm my real age. But that's not important. Cause we got pedophiles out here for kids like me. So I ain't gonna reveal my age. And no, I did not reveal my age because I'm probably not even 14. I ain't gonna tell y'all how old I am. For my family purposes only. Green, I just made it 7%. Well, who makes 11% break? Nobody. Hate that shit. Let me hit that statement. That was that bad. Who makes 11%? Nobody. Exactly. I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment. I am out.